So blow up your ball, make sure it's really nice and firm. That'll be your first exercise. Now, here's your first option. I say this is the least relaxing of all, however, you may enjoy it. So place your hands crisscrossed at the base of the skull, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock elbows, and then just gently rest. Slight tuck of the chin. If you feel really good and safe to do so, feel free to lean back. Just stay in that slight curve, remembering that we want to connect the abdominals, find that rib to hip connection so that we open up the low back here. So we're not going into a hyperextension at the low back. Should feel quite comfortable. The knees are lined up with the hip bones and the feet are lined up with the knees. And we're paying attention to the breath. And having the ball there will give you a very gentle massage, and it will focus your breathing into this part of the back. And you may notice that there are subtle movements here. So you'll find that you naturally want to gently extend the spine over the ball on an inhale, and then on the exhale you'll feel that rib to hip connection. So it should feel quite easy, fluid. All you need to do is focus on that breath and that gentle mobilization, paying attention to the sensations inside your body, and that's where your mindfulness practice comes in. So you can do that as much as you like. You can take longer than that if you prefer. Otherwise, you may want to try a side lying version. So we're going to place this underneath the rib cage. Now, we're all different, so you may find it's more comfy higher or lower. So have a little play with it until you find a position where you're fairly comfy. You can either have your forearm down or elbow down and support the head with the hand. You may prefer the elbow up here. This can allow the shoulder to melt away from the ear, or place the hand on your side, or place it down on the floor if you need a little bit of balance and support. Same as before. So let's gently tighten those corset strings, pull them to the back so that the waist is long on both sides. We're breathing into that ball to get that really lovely gentle massage again. And we might want to consider adding a gentle rotation. So exhale, roll, inhale, hold, and exhale, roll, inhale, hold. If you want to move more than this, you may want to extend that top leg forwards to work as a counterbalance for when you go for that roll back, lest you fall flat on your back. So deep breaths, deep breath in, and then exhale to move. So it's exhale, move, inhale, hold. And then, I think this might be my favourite. I'm just going to crisscross my legs. Hopefully you're comfortable sitting cross-legged, otherwise this might not be for you. Place the ball gently on your lap and either fold forwards in whichever way you prefer, or cup your face in your hands, as I will, so that I can keep smiling at you and talking. And again, deep breaths. So in this position, we're encouraging ourselves to belly breathe. So you should be more aware of your belly expanding. Belly breathing is a great way to calm your central nervous system. What we tend to do when we're anxious and stressed is we tend to breathe up into our chest, which further elicits that stress response. It's a bit of a vicious cycle. So do remember to return to your deep belly breathing. And having a small piece of equipment that you can deflate and blow up again and take anywhere with you will improve your proprioception and give you something to focus on. So if you do struggle with mindfulness, meditation and so on, you feel like you need to be actively doing something in your rest, then this is the exercise and this is the equipment for you. All right, I hope that helps. Bye.